Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're here today at the Los Angeles Classic Auto Show in Los Angeles, California. Now, this place is crazy. One of the largest classic car shows in the whole entire world. So there's every type of classic car, European, Japanese, American, everything here. But we're here with a special guy's car. We're gonna detail up Goldberg's car. Now, so how are we gonna get Goldberg's car looking good? Goldberg's showing up tomorrow, and we wanna make sure that his car looks the best. So let's get going. I'm gonna show you some techniques on how I get a show car ready for the show. Now, this was brought in on a trailer, and it was parked in here, and it's been 3 days at the show. This is gonna be the last day, but there's been a lot of dirt and dust and fingerprints, and I wanna get it looking good. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grab our Masterson's detail spray. This is my choice as a pro to use on any type of car. I use this on my own personal car, and it's gonna be great for Goldberg's car because it's gonna work amazing right here at the show. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, I also have 3 microfiber towels over here. You can pick these up also on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, I'm gonna show you on the front what I'm actually gonna do on this car. This is a beautiful Hemi Charger. Check this thing out. This is freaking amazing. Almost like the Fast and the Furious model. It's so cool. It's got the Hemi, it's an RT model, and if you peek inside, this thing has the manual transmission, which I'm all about the manual transmission. I don't even love automatics, but I love manual transmissions. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the front of this car before we get going for the rest of the show. So I'm gonna shake up my detailer and I'm gonna turn it on the spray setting. And then I'm gonna spray the whole entire fender. There we go. Now, the reason I'm using a detailer and not a waterless wash is because this car is not too dirty, and I wanna make sure I get a streak-free shine on this car. There's a lot of lights in here. I mean, there's like thousands of lights in here. It shows every flaw, every streak, and I don't want Bill to have any streaks on his car. I wanna do the best job possible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my microfiber towel, and I'm gonna wipe in one direction. There we go, and then I'm gonna wipe back. That's called a snake pattern right there. That picked up, look at the dirt. This is actually sitting inside, and you see that dirt that was on there? That's why we needed to wipe this car down, because of that dirt on there. So if you have a tag, go ahead and rip your tag off. There we go. It's another tip and trick. Now I'm gonna take my microfiber towel and I'm gonna keep working. There we go, go all the way down. If you notice, I'm working from the top all the way down, guys. Now, what is this right here? Check this out, guys. I'm gonna show you this while we're here. Come in here. Look at this, guys. See this? This is what I look for on shows. This is a detailer's mistake from another job. Somebody else detailed this car, left some compound on here. It's like they were buffing the car when it was like built, because this is a restored car. They left the compound there. That's horrible. I'm gonna fix that right now for Goldberg, so let's do that. I'm gonna spray the area. I'm gonna take my microfiber and I'm gonna wipe that away. Oh, that's a fat buildup. There we go. Oh, but look, it came right off. There we go, right off. Look at all that white right there. That was the compound or the polish that was in there. Look at that. There we go. That's the type of stuff you want to do on a show car detail. I'm gonna flip my towel to a clean side. I'm gonna go to this short nap side. Here we go. And then I'm just gonna give it a good buff. Look at that. That right there was already a win. Right there. No other detailer would have saw that. I mean, come on, this is Greg, right? The ultimate, the world's detailing legend. I really want to make sure that I don't let anything go past my eye. These eyes right here, they're like eagle eyes. We want to make sure nothing gets past them and we get a good shine. Look at that shine. The shine is incredible. Oh, this is great. It's always a great chance to be able to work on celebrity cars or custom car collectors. Right next door to this car is Stacy David, who used to do the host of Trucks, and he does auto repair videos on the internet and on cable television. We're hanging out with a lot of celebrities over here at the show. It's super cool. There we go. Okay, so look at that fender. That's flawless. Flawless. This is a flawless. There we go. We're gonna make that into a meme, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna grab a new microfiber, always a new, and let's go ahead and move on to the hood, guys. So I'm gonna spray the hood. This is a big hood, okay? I'm gonna take my microfiber. Remember, tags off. And let's go ahead and wipe the bad boy. There we go. Take off all the dirt, all the dust. Wow, look at the dirt do you guys see that? Look at the dirt that's actually on this car. This car is actually filthy dirty. There's stuff landing on the car, and That's just horrible. There we go. There we go, amazing. Okay, I'm actually gonna open my towel, flip it to a clean side, and then I'm gonna use that to lightly buff. Look how light I buff, guys. Come in real close. Lightly buff. Don't mind the stage up there. There's Mike Brewer from Wheeler Dealers up there. So, there we go. This is amazing. I really hope our buddy Bill is happy with our job and making this thing just so good. There we go. That's amazing, guys. The difference is fantastic. If you guys can see that shine, that is amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm really loving this. And that's why I love detailing cars at shows with our Masterson's detail spray, because the difference is just fantastic, guys. It's simply amazing. Now I'm gonna detail the rest of the car. We got some glass to clean here as well, because the glass is just, it could be a lot cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and do that as well, guys. So thanks a lot for viewing today, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you like the results on this beautiful Hemi, go ahead and check out our Masterson's detail spray. You can pick it up on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. And once again, we'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.